we're gonna do a 1-minute eye design. It's abstract. I have the white loaded up and a pink and purple rainbow cake. And then you just go up and over and down. Then you can take some white or any other color for line work. I'm gonna use some fusion white and do a few swirls up, swirl over, teardrop, 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 and then teardrop, 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 teardrop. Then we're gonna do a few on the other side, swirling up with the design, and then some big teardrops, teardrop, 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 teardrop. And the more time you have, the more teardrops you can add. And in here, I'm just gonna put a little star, some dot, 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 dot. And on the dark part, you can put a couple little dots to make everything pop. And little dots on the inside there, and a little star here. Here we go.